Have you ever encountered problems when performing asset inventory counts? These issues might make your work complicated and time-consuming. How many staff? How much time? Where is asset? In the traditional system, asset counting is done by scanning barcodes or manual recording, which can take up to 1 hour per round. Your asset counting will become easier and faster when using the Smart Asset Management System, an intelligent asset management system that utilizes RFID technology to enhance accuracy and efficiency in asset tracking. With the Smart Asset Management System, you can perform asset counts faster, from 5 minutes down to just a few seconds, enhancing the convenience and accuracy of managing your assets.
Smart Asset Management System consists of the main components: handheld T2 UHF for portable RFID reading, desktop reader for reading and registering RFID into the system, RFID barcode printer for printing and registering tags into the system, RFID tags to attach to assets, asset management software. How does the Smart Asset Management System work? Let's take a look. It allows you to create asset locations with up to 3 levels: building, floor, room. You can create and enter new asset information comprehensively, including general details, location, and machine data. The system can be accessed via a handheld Android device for asset counting and verification, as well as through a computer for convenient asset management. Easy and fast asset counting in 4 steps using your mobile device. Step 1. Create an asset counting document for the location you want to audit. Step 2. Display the list of assets that match the search criteria for counting. Step 3. Select the created document to begin the counting process. Step 4. Perform the counting and send the counting report to the computer to generate the asset inventory report. Data can be easily exported in Excel and CSV file formats, supporting efficient data analysis and storage. There's a dashboard that displays asset lists and warranty expiration alerts. You can also generate asset reports categorized by different types, such as asset lists, locations, and owners. Examples of sorted ledger reports, such as assets sorted by location, Smart Asset Management, an intelligent asset management system powered by RFID technology to enhance accuracy and efficiency in asset tracking. Contact us for more information.